Yeah, so this is World Run Day 48. What a wonderful evening and afternoon evening I had, and I got a bed for the night. I slept really well, probably not enough, but wow, that was just a wonderful stay with the family. And yeah, didn't really have the time to finish the video yesterday, so I think I'm gonna just do yesterday and today together because they're kind of similar. Today apparently I'm gonna go over a gravel road, quite long, but it's gonna be flatter, not as much hills, and I think I can do it after yesterday. And yeah, this is just a beautiful environment, very tranquilo, and the people are just amazing. There's no words. I had coffee. They made warm water for me for this morning. I have cake, I have bread, I have some food. Yeah, I'm good to go. Right now it's still a little bit cool, that's why I'm wearing my jacket, but I think I'm soon, when I go uphill, I can take off that jacket. But yeah, this world, 47, day 47, also a very special day. So let's go for 48, and I think this one is going to be special too. Hola, buen día. So here we go, this is the gravel road, and I'm just going to climb it slowly. Whew, I think, I hope the steepest part is behind me. I have to watch every step so that I don't fall and the buggy comes back. I think that's quite dangerous. I saw some other runners here. Yeah, so, and in the middle of the climb we had a conversation, of course. Whew, I'm sweating, and I think I'm only out here for about 20 minutes, half an hour, and I'm like, wow. But this is going to be a great day, and once we have done this gravel road, we can go down the beach and take it easy. I think it will be pretty flat until we have to go back in. So yeah, but first I think it's a bit steep here again, so let's do it. Whew. Well, my friends, I do not know what's coming, but I think this is the last time I attempt such a steep hill by myself on gravel with this buggy. This is dangerous. I think twice I almost had a heart attack. Oh, I made it up. Yeah, that was a really good workout. So I think it's gonna be up and down a little bit. I hope I'm on top of the hill somewhere, somewhat. Wow. Yeah, this is a little bit shaky, I gotta say. But yeah, ready to go. Whew. But yeah, I guess it was worth it to come here. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, but yeah, no, this was dangerous, I gotta say. But this is beautiful up here in the shade. Oh, and it's a bit difficult on gravel. I get used to it. So, an interception, let us see what awaits us here. It's also gravel. Interesting. Yeah, I think this will be gravel until the beach. But yeah, doing fine. Yeah, the people here who drive by, they always offer a ride. It's incredible. Yeah. It's like the same when you arrive at a house. Before you know it, you have a drink in a hand, you know, like some soda or water. You don't ever have to ask. It's already in your hand before you even think about it. Yeah, it's amazing. Still a lot of uphill, quite steep still. Whew. So yes, I think one of the best workouts ever. And I guess for day 48, perfect. Some good training. Wow. And yeah, some lessons learned. But yeah, this is beautiful up here. Oh, steep parts are wow. Wowee. So just every time you think you cannot go higher, you can be sure there is a climb. Now there's a car from both sides, so let's be careful. Well, can you see the dust? Whew. Yeah, this morning is one for my nerves and for my lungs, I guess. I just also had to do a downhill. I think I never went a little slower down a hill, but the carreta is so heavy. And yes, wow, I just have to be careful. And if there's something coming up that is really dangerous, I need to ask. But I think I'm almost half through, and this is challenging, my friends, challenge. But a good one. So now a truck stopped and told me about a shortcut that I don't have to go all the way up and down, and so this apparently is not as steep downhill. We will certainly find out, and maybe I have to ask for help if this is all going too crazy. But maybe I can do it. I think I just walk to avoid injury. Wow, this has been a trip. Crazy ride this morning. Oh, can you see the Pacific? I am too high up there. Whew. I don't know. Oh, wow. Slowly now, my friend Andrea. Here we go. So, I do have to admit, I'm a bit nervous from going downhill here. But I am just absolutely taking my time and breathe, and I know I can do it, but if I'm in doubt, I'm just gonna stop. Absolutely gorgeous, but you know, it's funny, I think you know, I'm so scared like going down like this. You don't know, but maybe you now do, because you see I'm just gonna go so slow. Oh, my legs are shaking. So this is the Ruta del Mar, and yeah, it's beautiful down here after the morning scare. Whew. Nice to just run. Well, it took me 3.5 hours for 10 miles, and I cannot say it was pleasant, but yeah, it was an experience. But yeah, I think such ways I should just not do with that carreta. I think I can do it without it, but not with it. It's too heavy. Uphill and downhill, it's dangerous.
But I'm glad I made it, and I think I'm now just gonna do some easy, flat running along the beach and see where I'm gonna go, and no stress. Enjoy the playa.
Yeah, this is beautiful running. Woo. Wow. Running between 11 and 12 Ks going into the hill. Well, it's gonna slow me down a bit. So after the first 10 hard miles, I run now 10 miles to kind of the tourist place along the playa. Now I think we're gonna run 4 miles on the kind of larger road. And then I will take another road. And yeah, let us see how far I can get today. No stress. So, whew. I guess we're gonna take a ride here to Constitucion, and it's about 6 miles. There's supposedly camping on the right and some cabanas on the left, and so we will certainly find out and find a place to sleep. So I guess it will be in about an hour and 10 minutes. That will be about 4 o'clock. Yeah, I lost a lot of time this morning on that 10-mile stretch over the mountain. But yeah, now we're here. Still quite flat, that's nice. So let's go to Constitucion. No, not today. Tomorrow. Chile. There we go. Whew. So I think about 4 miles. Oh man, this morning. Whew. Now I feel it again. It's been a long day, but this is beautiful. Yeah, let's just go about 4 miles and see if I get a camping spot or a little cabana. I'm open, up for anything. Wow, this is pretty barren land here. Whew. It's beautiful running. I'm enjoying it very much. And I think about 2.5 to 3 miles to go. And yeah, I am hungry. I gotta say, but Valentina from the family, they're all good bakers, but I guess she gave me a cake, a frutida, so I'm very much looking forward to having a piece of frutida very soon with some refreshing water. And just relax, because that morning was a killer, I gotta say. Whew, I'm never gonna do something like that again. Never ever. Maybe. So this is my little camp spot. It's beautiful. I really love that. I had a nice salad, and here I can study all the birds that are here. Yeah, this is really a cool place. I love it. Of course, the people came right away and gave me everything I needed. Probably more than I needed. But yeah, that's so cool about here. Yeah, this is it. I really love it.
yeah, later I'm gonna go to the beach. And yeah, this is just a nice makeup. Here you can clean your dirty dishes. And yeah, it is the sun is pretty hot still, but it's gonna be very frio. Everyone here on the campground is really concerned that I'm not gonna make it through the night, but I told them I have had some probably colder nights than that. But yeah, I'm sure it's gonna get cold, but I will be fine, or otherwise you will not see me tomorrow. Anyways, yeah, this was a nice day, except the morning was too much. But I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. But yeah, once you started, you cannot turn around. You just have to go through. That's why you should make the decision before starting. And yeah, if you're interested in checking out any of my other videos, please do so. They're up in the corners, and maybe I will go to the beach and take the camera along, but I have a feeling no. And yeah, I'm doing really well, and I love the people here. They're so generous. It's unbelievable. So yeah, dream big too, my friends. I'll see you soon.